to save web page as a shortcut in Google. So here is how to do it on your MacBook so you can open it directly like an app. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is simply open the Google on your MacBook. Then you can see add shortcut button available there with the plus icon. Now all you have to do is tap on the add shortcut. Then there you will get to see the name and URL option available. Now what you have to do is simply copy and paste the URL of the shortcut website you want to. So let me just go to the YouTube first of all, so I can create the shortcut of the YouTube. Now all you have to do is copy the URL and go back to the Google tab and tap on the add shortcut, and now name your YouTube. I would like to keep YouTube as a YouTube. Then paste the URL and save it, and it will be shown here. Now you can repeat the process for other websites as well. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. And that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.